Hey traders, just a quick E-mini S&P update. So let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, so we're going to have a quick little E-mini S&P update. This is the S&P future chart you can see right now that you're looking at right now as I speak. Okay, and what you can see is... Let me just pull this up here. Pull it down a little bit. Alright, cool. So what you can see right now is the E-mini S&P 500 chart. We can see that this is where the current price is right now. This is the S&P future, and you can see we're looking at this is an hourly chart as well too. Look at the daily chart, and you can see how this daily chart, the market has really sort of this level up the top here around the 2094 level. There's a lot of resistance through there, and you can see that's where it's having problems now. Now we have the I think it's the jobs announcement coming out in tonight in the US. So that's what the market looks like it's waiting for. But if you look at the 60-minute chart, you can actually see that there is a whole bunch of area of resistance through here. You can really see it on the 5-hourly chart. The 5-hourly chart, you can really see that level through there. So if I just draw, let's go horizontal here, and through there you can actually see how that whole bunch of area resistance, plus there's also another area of support and resistance through here. So this is obviously this is where the market's been range bound. It has been range bound for quite some time. If I bring up, let's go array, and I'll bring this down through to here. Okay. So yeah, so we can see that's where the market is right now as we speak. So anything, if the market does start to close above this level through here, this sort of trend line, then we're probably going to race back up to, we go back to the daily chart here for a minute, we're probably going to race back up to the new highs, which is up the top here, as you can see. So if I bring up this sort of here, that there is the highs of that's the new high. So we'll probably have likely to have a nice run up towards the highs up there. Maybe even one day, I'm not sure, but it does look like it wants to try and make those new highs. Now the 5-hourly chart, back to that. If we do start to get a close below this support level here, you can see where it's been having problems here, then the next level support is probably, or is definitely down here, around that sort of 2064 mark. So that's quite a, you know, we're talking about, you know, from there to there, we're talking about, what's that? That's 64. That's 74. You know, you're talking about probably a good 20 or so points on the downside. So that's what I'm seeing right now on this E-mini S&P chart, guys, and that's what I'm seeing looking forward through there. And of course, guys, what we still have this nice little trend line coming up into play. You can see how that's nicely from there. It's coming through there as well too, and you can see how if I just draw that little thing through. Yeah, so just basically through there, you can see how that's where the market is holding support there. It's holding support where it is right now. Do we get a break to the high side? Do we get a break to the high side, guys? We're likely to race back up to the new highs. Or if we get a break down, then we're likely to see probably a good 15 to 20 point move to the downside, which is down here. Now, what that looks like on the daily chart is actually a run back down towards these lows through here on the daily chart. So that's what I do see for tonight, guys. Hope you're doing well. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.